Close your eyes for a second and picture a candlelit study in 1700. A scholar pores over scrolls and whispers that women's bodies are a mystery, best left to myth. Fast forward, dusty tomes become microscopes, and that mystery turns into questions and measure. This is the history of science meeting the science of pleasure, and it's full of surprise. In the 1800s, many doctors guessed at women's desire from the outside. In the 1900s, researchers like Kinsey and later Masters and Johnson put people in labs and asked real questions. What happens when people touch, talk, breathe together? At first, the science was clumsy. Many studies ignored women's real report, but step by step we learned two big truths. First, female pleasure is real, varied, and not a failure mode to be fixed. Second, listening is as important as learning. Today, brain scans and careful surveys show something beautiful. Pleasure lights up the brain in many ways. Anatomy books finally gave the clitoris the attention it deserved. We learned that sensation is more than a single spot. It's whole body, it's context, it's mood, it's safety.
So how does history help you now?
As a curious college student standing at the doorway of adult life, it gives you permission to study, to ask, and to practice kindness. Here are practical, research-backed ideas, simple, respectful for anyone who wants to increase the chance of shared pleasure. Tip 1, talk. Ask what feels good. Ask what doesn't. Use short, clear words. Consent and curiosity are sexy. Tip 2, slow down. Build warmth. Arousal takes time and it changes the rules. Tip 3, learn basic anatomy. Knowing where nerves are and how bodies respond helps you adjust your touch, your pressure, your pacing without needing a map of position. Tip 4, communicate while you move. Short feedback, more, less, slower is gold. Tip 5, experiment together like scientists. Small variations in angle, rhythm, and pressure matter. Treat it like gentle troubleshooting, not a performance test. Also remember, mood matters. Lighting, music, trust, and laughter change everything. Breath together, pause, check in. Use toys when both people want them. Respect differences. What works for one person may not for another. And if orgasm doesn't come, it is not a moral failure. Pleasure comes in many shapes, and the journey is often as meaningful as the outcome. So here's your invitation. Read the old papers, meet the modern research, and most of all, practice good, curious communication. History shows us that mistakes happen when people stay silent. Science shows us that careful listening and gentle experiments work. Be brave enough to learn, humble enough to ask, and kind enough to prioritize comfort. Your body and your partners will thank you.